Hi and welcome to Watch the Time and my initial unboxing and thoughts on a nice little Casio G-Shock I picked up, and it is the GA-2100SKE-7AER, also known as the Casioak, Jelly, the Casio Skeleton, the Casio See-Through, all sorts of names. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'll just get all the stuff out. As you can see there, it's a module number 5611, which is I think the standard Casioak module. Got the G-Shock warranty card there, all the usual sort of G-Shock, shock resist, 200 metres of water resistance. We're going to get all that. No idea what that is. A nice tin which matches the box with this sort of nice design on it, and tin's always cool. Let's just pop the watch out, and there it is, the Jelly transparent, the Casio transparent. Actually quite legible as well. Looking at the dial, I was a bit worried that it wouldn't be, but because the markers are the same colour kind of as the dial, but they actually stand out quite well, and there's a white marker around the edge of all of them as well. Really nice. Okay, so let's have a little look at the thing there. Again, GA-2100, and so we've got carbon core guard, shock resistant, 20 bar water resistant, double LED lights, 1/100th of a second stopwatch, well timed, daily alarm and timer. So all the usual things. No solar on this, so this is a battery jobby, but we'll take that off. Let's just get that off. Put that in there. So it's just a basic rubber strap, but it's clear, and the whole case is clear. Obviously the module inside it is, as you can see, black, but looks like it's got quick release strap, and you've got all the details on the back there. And there's the case back. You've got the carbon core guard, very basic, sort of just 4-screw on case back, not an issue with that. Nice big buttons, nice and easy to use, and they're kind of recessed. Really like it. Let's get it on wrist. There it is on my just over 7¼ inch wrist. Super lightweight, super comfortable. I mean, it's a big watch, it's well over 40mm across, but it's irrelevant when it comes to a Casio. And these carbon core guard Casioaks just wear absolutely beautifully, nice and thin. One of the best wearing Casios, I think, probably even a slightly little bit better than the square Gs. But, nice bit of contrast there with the white hands. Really nice. So this is just my initial unboxing and thoughts, but initially my thoughts are I absolutely love it. I currently don't have a G-Shock in my collection, which is unusual for me. I've actually had I'm going to do a state of the collection because I've done a massive purge, and I've sold literally just about everything, bar I think I've got 4 or 5 watches left. I've got the Tudor Black Bay, Omega Seamaster, Omega Speedmaster, the Seiko Arnie, and one other, my Sega Skeleton watch, which is going to be sold. So and that's it. I've sold everything else. Had a massive purge, but really liking this, and a great summer watch that is, isn't it? So watch this space. I'll do a full review and go through the modes and all things like that once I've worn it for a couple of days. I've literally picked this up today. This is my first time wearing it, but so far I'm really liking it. And that dial, I know it's not showing up that clearly on screen, it doesn't look like it, but it's so visible, it's so legible. I really like it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you for the full review of this in a week or so's time. Cheers, bye.